Sometimes, we don't remember the grocery list, and there are students who memorize whole chapters of books. It takes us hours and hours to solve any math problem. Again, there are students who come up with the solution in minutes. What makes their focus and concentration power so high? And if you ask the answer to this question from someone, you will hear that his brain is very fast and your brain is weak. Friends, it is true that in many cases, whether your brain is weak or strong depends a lot on your genetics. That is, if your brain comes from your mother, and if your mother's brain is weak, then your brain may also be weak. In the same way, your brain may come from your father. If your father's brain is weak, your brain may also be weak. Also, it may be that your brain comes from someone whose brain is very strong, then your brain may be strong. So first, we have to accept what we got, then understand what our body and mind can improve according to our needs. No one can imagine the power of our mind. The human brain is more powerful than a supercomputer, because the human brain made the supercomputer. The supercomputer did not make the brain. And you have to believe that you can sharpen and strengthen your brain according to your needs. Just like to fix the body, we have to exercise, diet, and give up some things. In the same way, if you want to improve your brain, increase focus, and improve concentration, you have to follow certain things. And I will say certain exercises to do, and certain things to leave out, for which your brain becomes too weak. And if you let go of the things for which your brain is becoming weak, then automatically your brain will become much faster. We start from the fact that your brain is getting weak for some reason. The number one reason for this is short videos, be it Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Our attention span drops by up to 25% after watching short videos. And this is exactly why our brains have become accustomed to watch very small content. And this is exactly why it becomes difficult for our brain to focus on one thing for a long time, which is another reason that I mentioned very well in the porn addiction video. Because we have habituated our brain to short dopamine by continuing to watch porn and social media. As a result, our brains have become accustomed to having fun. And if we focus on the long stuff, our mind won't have that fun and will run to short dopamine. This is why it becomes very difficult for us to focus. Social media, porn media, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts are all things that have reduced your concentration power and attention span. So, if you let go of these things, it will be easier for you to focus on something for a long time. Number 2, there are some exercises that you can do to speed up your logical brain. After doing these, your brain will be very fast. Your memory power and the concentration level you have will increase a lot. You can do these in your free time, and you will have a lot of fun doing them. The first exercise is called multicolor text. In this exercise, you will see text in many different colors on your screen. Next, we will remove all the colors. Now, one color will come in each word. Any color can come in any word. Like example, first letter red can come in any other color. Then you have to say green instead of red. Remember, you have to take the name of the color that will appear in that letter. It is not allowed to take what is written in the text, so we start it. At first, it may seem very simple to you, but it confuses people, because our brain's text perception and color perception are in different hemispheres, and by doing this exercise, a strong connection is formed between our two hemispheres. By doing this, both your memory and concentration power improve, and you can easily do both at the same time. The second stage is called hand gesture. In this exercise, you have to make a victory sign with one hand, and make a OK sign with another hand. Then the two hands should be reversed. That is, the hand that made the victory sign should be made with the hand that made the OK sign, and the hand with which you made the OK sign should make the victory sign. Try to do it. All you have is 10 seconds. Start now. Exercise number 3, make circle and a triangle. This means you have to make a circle and a triangle with two hands. You can try this with different hands. This will greatly increase your consciousness and focus power. Exercise number 4. Blindfolded. You have to bath with your eyes closed. Close your eyes and see if you can do everything correctly or not. Like where the water tap is, opening the shower and then taking a bath. Pay close attention to whether you can do everything correctly. Doing this will increase your brain power and your awareness. At the same time, it creates new neurons in the brain. Exercise number 5. Use your left hand. There are many things in our day-to-day life that we can do with our left hand, like brushing after waking up in the morning, and remember that when you apply the toothpaste on the brush, you also have to do it with the left hand. Now you may think that what it will do, right? As a result, new neurons will develop in your brain, and the connection between the neurons that are already there in your mind will be much stronger. If you can do these 5 exercises daily, your brain will become very strong. In short, if I want to say all the exercises, then it is first, multicolor text, hand gesture, try to make circle with one hand and triangle with other hand, bath with eyes closed, and the last one, left hand use. Another important thing is that the people whose brain is already very fast, they cannot do much in life. Albert Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, Walt Disney, everyone's brain was weak in childhood. How much high you will reach in life depends on how strong is your willpower to get there, and your mind will automatically support you to do that. New ideas will give into you, so if you have weak brain, then congratulations. Your chances of being successful are very high. And this video ends here. If you want more valuable content like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.